dashcam in your car? Or are you currently looking for a dashcam right now? If you are, let me introduce you to this one awesome dashcam. Ta-da! This is a FineVu GX300 dashcam. This is made in Korea and also has the #1 sales of dashcam in Korea as well. Do you know that this is the world's smallest non-LCD dashcam with so many amazing functions? It has 2 channels with front 2K QHD and rear FHD. The FineVu GX300 device supports clear video with application of HDR. HDR is a function displaying objects clearly by automatically combining 2 videos with different luminance settings. It is effective at night or in a place with high contrast differences where it is difficult to identify a license plate. Moreover, it is more useful as it allows you to record videos clearly even where luminance varies rapidly. Sony's Starvis IMX335 sensor gives a brighter and clearer performance at night. So it focuses on every detail on the dashcam image so that it can produce good quality videos. With the ADAS technology equipped in the GX300, it activates the FVMA sensor by giving sound alert warnings to the driver to avoid delayed response. So let's say, for example, if the car has stopped moving at an intersection or in traffic, the FVMA sensor will notify if the car in front has started moving. This is to avoid delayed response in case the driver is doing something else. It is also equipped with speed camera alert to help drivers with AES and speed limit, especially when driving on the highway.
Fixed camera 300 meters ahead. Speed limit is 70 kilometers per hour.
The best thing about this device is that it has built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, so you can manage all the settings of the dashcam within the FineVu app, which you can find on the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store as well. So such functions such as live streaming during driving, downloading recorded videos, firmware updates, all of that can be found within the app itself. And the coolest thing is, it can measure your vehicle's travel speed, your driving hours, and find out your location using the built-in GPS. And you don't have to go through the hassle of cable arrangement in installing a dashcam. So, what are you waiting for? Go and get your FineVu GX300 dashcam from your nearby authorized dealer today!